Juicy stuffed chicken with aromatic rice stuffing and a cranberry gin sauce is a perfect dinner recipe for special occasions or as a delicious alternative to the traditional roast turkey. Welcome to my cooking show at home. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes from around the world. Let's start by preparing the marinade. Take 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, add 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Then add a spice mix, 1/4 teaspoon each of hot red pepper, cumin, and thyme. Next, add the coriander. I don't have ground coriander, so I'll crush it myself. Add 2 teaspoons. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon. And add 4 to 5 crushed and diced garlic cloves. Mix everything well. Rinse and pat the chicken dry. Then rub the marinade all over it, inside the cavity and gently under the skin. Massage it thoroughly so the flavor gets everywhere. Let the chicken marinate for at least 1 hour at room temperature or overnight in the refrigerator. Now let's make the cranberry gin sauce. Add 1 cup of sugar to 5 cups of fresh or frozen cranberries. Add the juice of the second half of the lemon, and the juice from 1 whole orange. Add a sprig of rosemary, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander, and 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of gin and add the zest from the orange you used earlier. Finally, add 1 cup of water. Bring everything to a boil over high heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and cook for 20 minutes. Then, without turning the heat off, blend it with an immersion blender until smooth. Leave it on low heat for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, then remove it from the stove. Time to pre-cook the rice. I'm using long grain rice today. Add 2 cups of rice to a pot and pour in enough water to cover it by about 1 inch. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring it to a boil on high heat, and before it boils, add half a cup of dry raisins. As soon as the water starts boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid and a kitchen towel, and steam for 10 minutes. Then remove the towel and lid and let the rice cool down. Try not to overcook the rice. This is a common mistake that results in mushy stuffing. When the marinating is done and the rice is cooled, it's time to stuff the chicken. Dice some fresh parsley and mix it into the rice. Place the chicken into a baking tray and stuff it with the rice mixture. Spread any remaining stuffing around the chicken in the tray. Slice an orange and add the slices to the tray as well. Add a sprig of rosemary. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Cover the tray tightly with 2 to 3 layers of aluminum foil and bake on the middle rack for 1 hour and 20 minutes. While the chicken is baking, slice about a dozen button mushrooms. When the time is up, remove the foil. Sprinkle the mushrooms around the tray. And brush the chicken generously with the cranberry gin sauce. Switch the oven to broil or keep roasting at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and cook for another 20 minutes uncovered to brown it nicely. Use a thermometer to check doneness. The chicken should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, make a small cut. The juices should run clear and the meat should not be pink. When ready, slice the chicken into portions and serve with the rice stuffing and cranberry gin sauce on the side. Enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!